It's got a G on it, okay?
Well, hopefully there's a box motor.
Yeah, seriously. Look at this guy. I would pull it out.
Puts the yelling on the shame.
Even Ryan likes it. Even Ryan.
Yeah, there's a lot of them.
Looks like our friend Ryan. Like identical. Like identical, bro. When he got out.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, except yeah, Ryan from Luke.
Check it.
Oh my God.
I'm missing this little piece.
So then it isn't quite worth $1 million because of that.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Not now. The turbos are buried right into the fenders right here. You can see how the headers sweep back. And they blow up into tubes, come down, intercooler. Cooler, and it's all set.
All custom built parts.
Yeah,
That's huge.
that's what she said.
That is huge. Big supercharger. This thing's probably running 18, 20 boosts.
I don't think it's shut. The door handle is crazy.
It's definitely not shut right.
Yeah, the door handle is crazy.
You know this car.
The glass is on.